Today we're making brownies. Thank you to everybody who watched the video where I swallowed the match. I got so many nice comments on it, and I want you to know that it has gone all straight to my head and my heart, but like kind of my head too. The first one's from Claire Saffitz's Dessert Person. They're the Malted Forever brownies, so they have melted milk in them. These, I don't know if I'm gonna make these, to be honest, but I think I am. Sweet toast brownies from this book by Benjamina Ebuehi. They have crunchy cubes of white bread on top that have milk powder in them. Not malted milk powder, at least I don't think so. And then the last brownie recipe is just a straight up brownie recipe from Tartine, which uses only 7 ingredients, and it uses actual chocolate, no cocoa powder or cacao powder. Oh, this is getting so good. Oh my gosh, I already have chocolate on my face. Okay. Now we're gonna make Claire Saffitz's Malted Brownies from Dessert Person. I'm so excited. They're pretty simple. So first we just need to bloom the cocoa. Well, that looks like something else. Now we've come at a crossroads. Do we use it? I'm thinking we do. Hold on, let me give it a taste. Ugh. Okay, I think we have to make it again because I don't want to do Claire dirty. I could make a really bad joke right now. This time I'm gonna try to melt the butter first and then add the chocolate after it's like been melted. And we're going even slower. It still kind of looks like it's separating. No! What the heck? I thought it was... Oh my gosh, it's separating before my eyes. Apparently you cannot have anything that touched water touch your chocolate when you're making it, otherwise it might do this. So I think that might be the cause, and they said the way that you can maybe fix it would be to add some boiling water and whisk vigorously. So we're gonna give it a shot. I just mixed in milk chocolate chunks. We're on to tartine. I'm exhausted. But, okay, so I already cheated and I just melted it in the microwave, which actually worked so well. Should have just done that every time. And then in here, we have a bunch of eggs. This has most eggs. The full recipe calls for 5 eggs. And only all light brown sugar. And then there's a little bit of vanilla in there too. You just mix this vigorously for like, until it gets lightens and thickens. And then we're gonna add in the chocolate mixture and then the flour. Add in the flour, fold it in quickly but gently with the rubber spatula so that you don't deflate the air. Then put it in. Okay, let's go. That one's the early winner. Tartines. What's going in? That's the A Good Day to Bake brownies, and they're going in. Here's Claire's Saffitz going in. It's giving very much like classic brownie crackly top, which I really like. Claire's, I'm not gonna lie, they don't look like the photo. Probably user error as I struggled so hard with that recipe, but we'll still give them a shot. These are still the front runner. It looks really good. I'm actually really excited for this one. We're gonna start with Claire's first because I'm sorry to say, but it looks the worst. I think I must have messed it up. Okay, this is Tartine's. It's got the crackly top. Very good. And by far the easiest to make. The other ones were so complicated. Okay, now we're trying Benjamina's. I'm actually so excited for this one. This one has the crouton. They don't taste that different from each other. You know what? I'm gonna go with A Good Day to Bake. I hope you enjoy cooking brownies with me, and I don't know what I'll be doing next time.